आप स्वयं देख रहे हैं कांग्रेस पक्ष में लहर चल रही है।
आपको लगता है सर अग्निवीर का मुद्दा काफी सर अग्निवीर का मुद्दा किसानों का मुद्दा यहाँ पर हरियाणा में आपको लगता है कि प्रभावशाली रहा?
सारे ही मुद्दे हैं भाई, हम अपने उसमें इलेक्शन कैंपेन में सब बता चुके। अब कैंपेन जो बंद हो चुका है।
पिछली बार लग रहा है आप सभी 10 सीटों को लेकर
इस बार कांग्रेस के क्या प्रोस्पेक्ट्स हैं?
कांग्रेस पक्ष में लहर चल रही है।
देखिए, मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि लोगों का पूरा आशीर्वाद मुझे मिल रहा है और बड़े बहुमत से रोहतक लोकसभा सीट कांग्रेस पार्टी जीतेगी। और केवल रोहतक ही नहीं, 10 की 10 सीट हरियाणा की कांग्रेस का गठबंधन जीत की तरफ आगे बढ़ चुका है।
सर जीतने के बाद सबसे पहला काम क्या करेंगे?
देखिए, रोहतक अपने लोकसभा क्षेत्र को विकास के मानचित्र पर देश में पहचान मिले, ऐसे प्रयास करेंगे और हरियाणा के अंदर बदलाव हो। हरियाणा के लोगों ने बदलाव का मन बना लिया है। हरियाणा के उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए, देश के संविधान की रक्षा के लिए और लोकतंत्र को बचाने के लिए लोगों ने बदलाव के पक्ष में मतदान किया हरियाणा में।
What I expect this time is that it's about time that people have an opportunity to. Are you an English channel? Sorry. Yeah. So people finally have the opportunity to be heard. So the most striking thing that I have seen, as I've just finished saying, is that this is the first time in a democratic setup that you find that if there is a grievance, if there is a concern, you are not able to actually even voice it. Forget about having it reviewed. So I think this is the way that people can get their voices finally heard, you know. And you've seen that in different sections where whether it's the wrestlers or the farmers, enough has been said and done about all of that. But the overreaching sort of theme is that you'll find that people have not been able to speak their mind. And I would hope that this would be the way that they sort of get their voices heard.
Last election we saw that all 10 seats were won by the BJP. How do you see that this time it will be different?
See, I don't believe in political sort of these statistics and all. As far as I'm concerned, my goal has been to try and reach out to as many people as possible and really try and understand the ground reality. Sometimes you get crowded by noise around you, and I think that is why I've made a special effort to go to really, really small hamlets this time, very small dhanis and villages, and also speak to these sections which are not usually able to voice their opinion, the women especially. So I think having done all of that, I think I've gotten a really true picture, and the true picture is, as I've shared, that these have been really hard-hitting matters for people on the ground. I mean, so I think it's going to be quite a spectacular.
So what response are people on ground giving?
As I've said before, sorry. Yeah, we should. I think. Sorry.
I'm being a typical mother-in-law.
No. Yeah, hardly. No, so real quick, I think the hard-hitting matters have been, Agniveer has been taken quite negatively. I think in an area like ours where we are we say this very proudly, our area gives a lot of very able and brave soldiers to this country. I think people are finding that they are lacking even the inspiration to actually, plan their lives around something which had been such a big motivational factor in the villages. So that has been a big deal. And of course, budgeting is not something women have been able to do this time. So, sorry, any questions?
Congress guarantee will work in Haryana, do you think?
I think at this, Haryana is no different than the rest of the country, right? I mean, of course, there are certain issues that matter here more than others. जैसे कि farmers से related है या सेना से रिलेटेड है, तो ऑब्वियसली उसका इम्पैक्ट हमारे गांवों में बहुत ज्यादा देखा गया है। और हाँ, उस हिसाब से अगर देखें तो हाँ, हरियाणा के अंदर ये जो इनकी बहुत ही ज्यादा अनजस्टिफाइड पॉलिसीज रही हैं, वो ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट करेंगी।